How's it going, ladies and gents? It's Flak. Update video. It's been roughly 2 years since my last upload. Just as an update, I've been doing 3D printing, 3D modeling, and CAD work in those 2 years, while also working in real life. One of the bigger projects I had going, which I've been working on for a little more than a year, I might not post that yet. That's still up in the air of what I'm doing with it. I might be trying to make my own product or giving it to another company. It's all up in the air right now with that. But expect more videos. I would like to get the two-stroke running. It's in here. The problem is that these doors have sank so much that I can't even get in. And it's somewhat serendipitous because something has been getting inside the shed. I don't know if it's in there right now. I've got to stick this camera in there. Yeah. Well, it's in there somewhere, along with a slice of a stump that came from a tree that was over there. It got struck by lightning, and I thought it'd be a nice little project to perhaps use resin to fill up the missing gaps in it. Maybe make it into a table or a workbench of some type. But yes, expect videos again. Gaming, cars, 3D modeling, 3D printing, repairing things, and much more to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around, and stay tuned for more.